Hello guys, so today we are going to unbox another tech product. So it's going to be headphones. So later on this video, I'm going to tell you what headphone is that and what company is that and what model is that. So let's get on to the video. So you already know the headphone company, the speaker company. It's nothing but the Bose headphones. It's one of the most popular headphone company in India. They have been making the speaker and headset for a long period of time now in India. So this model is quite special because it has the RGB lights on it. It can be also used for the gaming purposes. It has the normal USB port with an external mic. So it has many features like there's many features like the RGB lights and dual mic detachable dual detachable mic, and it has easy audio and mic driver customization. I can control the mic settings and audio settings and the light settings to the three buttons which has been given in the headphones. So the boxing is quite good. So I bought it from Amazon. I think the price is about 1,600, 1,800. I'll give the link in the description so you can check it out what if you want. So now let's get into the video. So now let's see what's inside the box. So in the box, as you can see, we have the main part, the headphones, the boxing, and the packing is quite good. It's a little bit special than other models. Before this, I had the Rockus 450 Pro. It's quite an old model. It has the Bluetooth setting, but this one that is not having a Bluetooth mode. It's a wired connection. So as you can see, the boxing is quite good. You have the headphones with the red cable, and they have packed it in a very good way so that it won't get damaged. We have few cards like how to connect it to the PC. Uh, Very big card. Then now I'm taking out the cable from the box. So it was quite difficult because it was just inserted into a hole. So now as you can see, there's USB cable. It is in a good color. The cable is in red color, the headphones in black color. A good color combination. Normal USB cable, the RGB light button, and the mute button, and the audio mute button. That's the USB cable. The cable is in red color, so it looks quite good than the headphones than the other normal headphones. And you have a detachable mic in that box, which is quite a special feature. And they have also given a sticker board head. It's common in all the board devices. They always give you a board head sticker in every board product you purchase, and they also given 1 year warranty, which is quite good. Yeah, so Boat has done a great job there. So yeah, as you can see, I'm a little bit taking the cable off. So So now let's see the performance of it, and let's see if the RGB cables are working out. And the mic, detachable mic, is quite flexible so that you can adjust it to your flexibility, to your comfortability. So now I'm connecting it to my laptop PC. As you can see, I'm connecting it and I have connected it. And there you go, boom. And there you go. You can see the lights turning on the picture, which is quite good and quite special. It's quite nice to see the lights are. Now speaking about the speaker quality and audio quality, it is quite good, and it made me happy that Boat had done a quite great job there, especially in that budget about less than 2000. It's quite good. I'm thinking it's one of the best speaker in that range. They've done a pretty decent job there. So I would say if you're going for to purchase headphones under 2000 rupees with a little bit of gaming stuff like that, I would say this would be the best option for you.